So to start off, the science of visual analytics. To me, there's two things that visual analytics allows you to do in any moment. So the first of them is to be able to change what data. If we go into a Tableau world and think about how we're working with Tableau, the ability to drag and drop fields from the measures and dimensions onto our rows, columns, onto our marks cards, we're constantly changing the data that we're looking at as an analyst. I've got a good example of this. So you'll notice that a lot of my examples here are driven by sports related themes. So in here, we're starting off with the top 10 Formula One teams by wins all time. So this is one aspect of the data that I'm looking at. Imagine now that I'm swapping out the teams, maybe for the drivers instead. So quickly, visually, I am getting a good idea who has got the most wins. I switched from the teams and now to the drivers. And then maybe I want to change them again. Instead of looking at the number of wins that they've achieved, maybe I want to look at the number of pole positions that they've achieved. So very quickly, by changing the data, I'm answering questions in a visual manner. I'm not necessarily having to look at them in a table. I'm using graphs, in this case, the bar chart, to actually go ahead
and answer.